Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. And I'm back with another video for y'all. But y'all, from the thumbnail, man, y'all can already tell what sneaker I'm talking about. But your boy go ahead and give y'all a review anyway for it. You dig what I'm saying? But look, before you do that, man, I am rocking the IBA SNEAKERHEAD t-shirt. Shout out to the bro while I was out there in SneakerCon LA, man. We had a blast while we was out there. You know what I'm saying? So look, I want y'all to head over to IBA SNEAKERHEAD Instagram. DM him, man, if y'all are feeling these t-shirts. Because, bro, to be honest, I'm glad that I got it because they go hard with the Bred 11 that I'm about to show y'all. So look, I'm gonna link everything in here down in the description below. Also, man, y'all know I rock with SOLEPREMISE heavy, man. You know what I'm saying? These are the dopest bag in the game. And to be honest, this is the only way that I travel. Whether I'm heading to SneakerCon or if I'm going down south to visit family, man, I always have this with me, you know what I'm saying? This bag right here holds up to 2 pairs of sneakers. The duffel bag holds up to 3 or 4, and then you got the Luciano bag, I think that's hold up to 5. So look, head over to solepremise.com, use promo code Chaotic Kicks, save yourself 30%, man, on these dope bags to put them fire sneakers you be buying in. You feel what I'm saying? So enough of that, man. Let's get to the video, man. So as y'all seen from the thumbnail, bro, we will be talking about the Bred 11s, aka the playoff 11s, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a sneaker that I've been waiting on for a while. They haven't released since 2012. You know what I'm saying? And I've been wanting this sneaker for a while. And I didn't want to pull the trigger on StockX once I realized that they was going to drop this year. So I waited patiently, man. And I was able to get the W on the finish line out, bro. And it was easy for me to go get my pair. And also, bro, this year they came back in the OG regular box, man. It don't have that pull out like the Winlight 82s came in, bro, you know what I'm saying? So we back to the OG, bro. This dope. But look, the colorway and the size of this sneaker is, this is the Air Jordan 11 Retro. Colorway is black, true, red, white. This is a size 10 personal pair, and the retail of this sneaker was 220 of them things. Like my dog T-Wall would say, you know what I'm saying? $220 of them stripper ones, you feel me? But yeah, man. Open the lid. Does come with a card in there. The card reads Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouette in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates this motto by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. Yeah, man. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying it's gotta be the shoe. You dig? This is the receipt from Finish Line, and it does have that green sticker off in the inside of the box with the standard black paper. Bam, man, there we have it, man. The Bred 11s, aka the playoff 11s, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I'm glad about this one right here that they did keep the 23 in back of there instead of putting the 45 in the back of it, you know what I'm saying? Starting from the bottom of the sneaker, you can see that translucent red, that transparent red bottom. And you can see the jump, man, with the carbon fiber underneath of it, you know what I'm saying? You do have black pods, white around it before you get to the black plaid leather that runs around the sneaker, you know what I'm saying? And instead of on this sneaker right here, unlike the 2012 pair, they did have the black that runs around the top of the patent leather. This one here looks like it's white that runs around the top of it. You get your regular standard round laces that come with it. You got that jump, man, with Jordan right here at the bottom of it, you know what I'm saying? In between the laces, you see that red jump, man. You have your shoe tree, that plastic hard shoe tree. On the inside of the sole, you do have the Nike Air that's in the insole of it. You know what I'm saying? Also, you got the red Jumpman right here. Look, man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. I've been waiting a long time for this sneaker, you know what I'm saying? And I know they was talking about they was gonna have 2 million pairs of this here, bro. But I know a lot of people that ended up with L's, man, and they look sick, bro. You know what I'm saying? So now they gotta find another route to go. You know what I'm saying? They gotta either choose GOAT, StockX, either way it go, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they do find somebody that can and willing to work with them, man, over these sneakers. But to me, if you're gonna go get them, you better go get them now, bro. They not going that much over retail right now, so might as well go ahead and pay that little extra $40, $50, man, and go ahead and get this sneaker secured, man, so that way you have them if you don't have it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't double up, you know what I'm saying? But we all know, bro, just like the Concord did last year, these are gonna restock again, you know what I'm saying? And maybe then I might go for a second pair, bro, because I do want to keep one stocked and I want to be able to rock one, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know when these sneakers gonna come back out again. It might be another 7, 8 years from now, you know? But that being said, man, y'all leave me a comment at the bottom of the page. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this sneaker. I am gonna throw it on foot and give y'all an on foot of this sneaker, man. Man, before we end this video, man, y'all already know, bro. If you're new to the channel, man, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And if I did my job, man, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button, that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. I love interacting with y'all, bro. I love chopping it up with y'all about these sneakers. Let me know if y'all went after these. I'm pretty sure y'all did. But let me know if you were successful in getting the W on these right here this year. And man, other than that, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out. Peace.